Ready to join the intense tactical battles of Delta Force on your PC? Whether you're looking for the classic experience or the new removal version, here's how to get set up and jump into the action. First, you want to head on over to this website. The link is up on the screen, but you can find it in the description as well. There, select the platform that best suits you. You can choose between Steam, Epic Games, or opt to download from a standalone launcher. For this tutorial, we will be downloading through the standalone launcher. Once the installer is done downloading, you will see a window that looks something like this. Here, you will need to log in with your account. Once you will have the download options available. After selecting that option, you will need to specify the installation path. And after that, you can begin download. You might need to wait for a while, but after the download is done, you'll be able to start gaming. And that's it.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon. Bye bye.